Okay, so you're here because you want to cook a delicious, nutritious, and hopeful pizza, right? Oh, it's easy. So come on over and I'll teach you how. LifeFood Delicious Pizza Recipe. First things first, here are the ingredients. Of course, we need some pizza bread or loaf bread, or if you have pizza dough, you can still use that. Or any bread that you have, you can use it. Next is, of course, we need some grated cheese, some ground beef. If you don't have ground beef, you can use burger patties and then roll it into balls. And of course, pepperoni. If you don't have pepperoni, you could use also hot dogs. Just slice it. We also need some salami. If you don't have salami, you could use sweet ham. And yes, mushrooms. Any kind will do. You also need onions. You can use white onions or green onions or red onions, as long as it's an onion. And yes, bell pepper. It can be green or red, it depends on you. You can use green olives or black olives, but I prefer the black ones because it has more subtle taste. You also need fresh chopped oregano leaves. If you don't have the oregano leaves, you can also use the fresh basil leaves. And to add some kick, we need some green chilies. And of course, we need to have tomato sauce. Okay, we need to prepare first our tomato sauce. Let's saute the tomato sauce for 2 to 3 minutes. Put some chopped onions, chopped garlic or garlic powder, dash it with pepper and sugar. So simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens and it's ready to go. Okay, it's time to decorate our pizza. Of course, spread the tomato sauce that we've just prepared. Spread it all over. Make sure that it's evenly distributed. Sprinkle it with cheese. You can use mozzarella or any cheese that you have. Drop the ground beef. Some pepperoni. The salami. The onions. The bell peppers. Oh, the olives. Fresh oregano. And to add some spice, put some green chilies. Preheat the oven for 5 minutes with a temperature of 470 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's bake our pizza. Cook it for 20 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown. So while waiting for our pizza to be done, here's now our LifeFood portion. LifeFood portion. The one who pursues righteousness and love finds life, bounty, and honor. If we do what is good, if we do things that are right, and if we love people, definitely our life will be more happier, our life will be more blessed, and we will always find joy, prosperity, and honor in our daily lives. So always remember that the one who pursues righteousness and love finds life, bounty, and honor. Proverbs 21:21. Again, that is our LifeFood portion. Oh, so our pizza is already done. I can smell it now. So delicious. So yummy. Come on and let's eat. So how about you? What pizza do you like? You want to share any recipes or anything that you've learned today? Just write it down in our comment section. Again, click subscribe, hit the bell, like the video, and share it. Again, thank you and God bless you. See you at our next video. LifeFood.